Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorials in Hand. In this video lecture we are going to see how to write a program in Python to calculate circumference of circle. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. So first of all, let's quickly move to VS Code in order to start writing the program. So first of all, let's create a new file by clicking onto this icon, and let's say the file name is simply code.py. Now let me first write the code and then we will understand it so that it cuts the time. Now let's understand the code. So first of all, in line 1 we take input of radius in radius variable, and here you can see the input type is float, so we have basically casted it. Now in line number 2 you can see that we are basically trying to calculate the circumference, and we know the formula is what? It's simply 2 pi r, and the value of pi we know that it's 22 by 7. That's why the circumference variable is 2 into 22 into r divided by 7. So this is how we are calculating the circumference, and we are putting it into the variable named circum. Right now in the last line you can see that we are trying to print it simply, and one thing that you can notice over here is that we are making use of round method. So round method, what it does is, let's say we are calculating something, and in that we are expecting that the result can be a floating type, right? That is, variables can be there. So in that situation, in order to limit the number of decimal point that we want, is with the help of that we can do with the help of round method. So in round method, the first parenthesis in under this parenthesis, the first thing would be the number or the floating type that we have to perform, then comma the number of digits that we want after the points, that is the number of decimal points that we want. So over here you can notice we are giving circum, that is we want to perform round method with into circum, comma 2, that is we want the result into two floating points, that is two decimal points. Let's say that we would have given comma 3, therefore the decimal point would be 3. So this is how it works, and simply we have printed it out. So this is all about it. Just a quick remind or recap that we have used just the float, means we have just casted it with the help of input method, we have casted it into float. Then we used the normal formulae, and then we made use of round method in order to round our result. So this was all about how to write a program in order to find the circumference of a circle if we are provided with the radius. I hope you enjoyed the video, but still if you have any doubt, then without any hesitation feel free to drop it down into the comment section. We will surely try to resolve it as soon as possible. So this was all about the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.